Hi, it's me, Ashley, behind the camera. As you know, this is my cat Delilah. She's so cute, right? She's adorable. I love my kitty. Hello, you sleepy? Come on, Delilah, do something exciting. Please. Please.
Hello, Ferb. What do you want to do today?
Hello.
What about Terry? What does he want to do? Well, he's a platypus. They don't do much.
It's adorable.
And Gordon is
Oh, it's adorable.
the first thing they're going to ask us when we get back to school is what do they do over summer? I mean, no school for 3 months. Otherwise, you'd be on a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Big roller coaster.
Yeah, you snuggle up. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Meow. Meow. You do that again, but like 7 times cuter. Do it again, but like 7 times cuter. No. Say bye-bye, baby. Bye.